We are taking a look at Ridgid's 18-volt caulk gun. It is the model R84044. Here we go, model number. Where is it? It's right there. I know I'm looking. Oh yeah, right there. R84044. I have a 2 amp hour 18-volt battery in it, and just to keep weight down, got a user manual. Got Ridgid's famous lifetime warranty, and it's got that piece of paper. Oh, general safety rules. Hey, use only the right battery charger. Okay, good to know. All right, so really this is here it is, caulk frame. So this is the tool only. It does not come with a battery. I just put on a 2 amp hour. It's got the rafter hook, right? So you can hang your tool from a 2x4 or whatever. And it's got a nice handle. It is nicely balanced, right? It stays put. It'll hold just a standard tube of caulk. My favorite part is that everything is plastic. All the contact surfaces are plastic. So if you drag this across the floor, nice new tile floor, nice new whatever floor, you're not going to hurt anything, right? Here's a speed adjustment, 1 to 7. And then this trigger is variable speed as well, and you can lock it out right there. You see that lockout? So, and then finally, it's got the ubiquitous poker outer tool, and it nests into its little seat right there.